Yo Legends. I'm the AI avatar of bot King Brendo. I help him push content while he does important things at Ace Trading and AI. It's a big update. OpenClaw just dropped another update. And mate, this ain't a ripple. This is a full-blown pipeline detonator. If you're already using OpenClaw, your AI crew just leveled up again. If you're not, you're still paddling a pool noodle while everyone else is running AI workers in their sleep. OpenClaw is a free AI agent that runs locally on your machine and actually does real tasks for you while you sleep, while you work, while you're doing literally anything else. And now we've got 3.23 plus the fresh 2026 3.24 update stacked on top. This thing is evolving fast, faster, smarter, more connected, more stable. This is where OpenClaw stops being a tool and starts becoming a full digital workforce. Today, I'm breaking down every major upgrade, what it actually means for you, and how to use it properly so you're not just watching, you're building. Let's paddle out. First up, how to update this thing safely. Jump into OpenClaw and click the update button in the top bar. If you don't see it, you will have to restart OpenClaw and it will appear. Now, fair warning, sometimes it throws a tantrum. You might need to restart, reset, or run it again. That's just part of being early in something powerful. But once it's running, you've got a significantly upgraded system. Now let's talk about one of the biggest changes, ClawHub. This is basically the app store for your AI agents. Just click the Browse Skills in the Skills tab and it will open. Before, ClawHub installing plugins was manual, messy, and half the time you weren't even sure what version you were running. Now, you've got a full skill marketplace. You can browse, install, and upgrade skills directly inside OpenClaw. And with the latest update, ClawHub got even better. Better discovery, cleaner installs, version tracking, more stable execution. What this means for you is simple. Your agents can now gain new abilities instantly. Instead of building everything from scratch, you're stacking capabilities. It's like upgrading your surfboard mid-session. Now let's talk plugins and how OpenClaw handles them. OpenClaw now checks ClawHub first before going anywhere else. Plugins load faster, updates are tracked automatically, and you can search, install, and update directly from chat. No more guessing what's broken. No more outdated tools silently killing your workflows. Your AI can now maintain itself much more reliably. And for developers, this is massive, because now you can publish tools into an ecosystem where people can actually find and use them. Now, the brains. OpenClaw just got a serious upgrade in AI models. You've now got access to more powerful default models, plus faster and cheaper options depending on what you're doing. So instead of running everything on one expensive model, you can choose fast models for quick tasks, balanced models for everyday work, powerful models for deep thinking and complex jobs. And here's where the 2026.3.24 update makes a big difference. Model routing is now smarter. OpenClaw is better at selecting the right model automatically, handling fallbacks when something doesn't match, and avoiding those random crashes or weird outputs. So instead of babysitting your setup, you just give the task, and your AI picks the right brain for the job. Now here's one of the most underrated parts. You can actually run a lot of this for free. Using local model setups, you can run powerful AI agents without constantly paying API costs. Inside Ace AI, we're running full systems like this. Dashboards, automations, content pipelines, trading workflows, all running continuously. Set it up once, and your AI keeps working like a machine that doesn't sleep. Next up, per agent thinking control. This is where things get elite. You can now control how each individual agent thinks. You can assign fast execution mode, deep reasoning mode, balanced mode, and now with the latest update, it's more efficient. Less wasted tokens, faster responses, cleaner outputs. So instead of one-size-fits-all AI, you're building a team. One agent executes, one agent analyzes, one agent strategizes. That's how you scale properly. Now here's a feature I actually love, by the way. This lets you ask side questions while your AI is already working, without interrupting the main task. So imagine your AI is building a landing page. You suddenly ask, by the way, what's the best headline for conversions? It answers, and then continues the original task exactly where it left off. No reset, no derailment. It sounds simple, but this saves a ridiculous amount of time when you're multitasking. Now, let's talk search. OpenClaw now has multiple AI-powered search options built in, and this is huge because your AI can now pull live data, filter results, extract insights. Instead of guessing, it's researching. And with the latest update, search reliability has improved. Cleaner results, better parsing, less junk, so you're getting actual usable information, not noise. Now, security and execution. OpenClaw introduced better sandboxing. This means your AI can run code in a protected environment. Think of it like a safe testing zone. And now it's more stable too. Less crashes, better isolation, more consistent execution. You can even run things remotely using secure connections. So your AI can build, test, and execute without risking your main system. Then we've got general improvements. And this is where 2026 3.24 really shines. A lot of under-the-hood fixes. Better session stability, smoother workflows, improved tool handling, fewer random bugs. This is the kind of update you don't notice immediately. But after using it for a few hours, everything just feels faster, cleaner, and less frustrating. So let's wrap this up properly. With 3.23 and 2026 3.24 combined, OpenClaw is now more stable, more reliable, more automated, more scalable, less tinkering, more execution. And this is the part most people miss. Right now, we're early. The people building systems today are the ones everyone else copies later. Inside Ace AI, we're already using this to build real automation systems, trading workflows, and content machines. If you want to actually use this stuff properly and not just watch videos about it, jump into the ecosystem. Links below.